Hey guys, it's your favorite online girl. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do these faux locks in a bob. Specifically, I'm very excited to do this style because I used to do this style in college. Well, I'm still in college. When I first started college though, I used to do this style all the time. So I'm very excited to be doing that today. Before I start doing the actual locks, I do need to part my hair. So that's the first step. I have this mirror from Amazon. It's like a tree-wear mirror. On this mirror, there's two hooks and these hook on the door. So it would open up like so. And like that, and then go on the door, and I could pull it down, and if I open it I could see the front of my head, and then the mirror is behind me so I could also see the back of my head. So this is how I'm going to see how my parts is looking from the back, because obviously I don't have eyes in the back of my head. I use one whole pack for half my head. This is how much I got done, which I think is pretty good. This is the next day, by the way, so I did pretty good last night. I did all the braids and then half my head. I just did one pack and then I went to sleep, and now I'm going into my next pack. If you guys don't know so far, this is the expression here, and it's the twisted up springy apple twist here in 16 inches in the color 1B. I love this hair. If you follow me, you know I use this hair all the time. It's just like the perfect hair to do, you know, natural looking hairstyles. I did mini twists. I have a video if y'all want to see that. I've done bantu knots. I've done ponytails. I think that's it. But I do love this hair. So if y'all want to sponsor me, if they want to sponsor me, I wouldn't mind. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I prep the hair. It's pretty simple. So let's open this pack up. It comes with 3 bundles, like big bundles, but they're already separated, as you guys can see. So this is one bundle or one piece out of the bundle, and each bundle I'm going to split it in half. So just take my finger, split it in half, and that's it. I have a little table next to me. You don't necessarily need a table. You could hook it onto your mirror or wherever, but I like having a table next to me, and I just go ahead and split them up. Make sure it's even, separate it in the middle. All of this is just from one bundle out of the pack. So remember, everything on the table is half a bundle. You're going to need 2 pieces, which is one bundle essentially. I like to take my crochet hook and I put it in the braid, just like that. I'll take the piece from the middle, hook it onto the crochet hook, like so. Put the clamp down and then pull it through, and you're going to only pull one side out. So you're going to do it like that. So now we're going to do a braid. This piece is going to act like one strand. This is the next strand, this is the other strand. So this doesn't have to be a super tight braid. You're just gonna braid all the way down. Take one more piece. This time you don't need the crochet hook. You're gonna hold it in half like you did before. So in half, this is one half, the other half sticking out this way, and you're going to wrap your hair around this way. Just wrap it all the way down. Keep going. You're going to wrap all the way down until your desired length. So I kind of just match it up with the rest of my hair. So I'm going to go down maybe 2 more wraps. See how it matches the length? And then you're going to take the same piece, hold on to the same piece, and you're going to wrap up instead of down. So you're going to go up, wrap it the same way you wrapped it before. Once you get to the last little piece, you're going to take your fingers and just palm roll it really quick. And that makes the lock stay in place. You don't have to rubber band it, nothing like that. So after you wrap that piece up, you're going to wrap the rest up. So you're going to just take the hair, fold it back up, wrap it back up like you did that last piece. And again, just like the last piece, when you get to the end, you're going to take your palms, palm roll it, and that's how it looks. It's pretty simple. You just have to kind of get the hang of it. But this is how the lock looks. Clip that hair on top the hook, close the hook, and you're going to pull that through. Leaving 2 ends, just like so, and then start a braid. You go with another piece of hair, like so. Start from the top and wrap that around. You want to wrap it as close to the root as possible so it looks like, you know, more sleek. I do want my hair to look a little like messy, not messy, but I want it to look realistic. So I don't want the lock to be too perfect, but I do like to put it at my roots so it lasts longer. So and when you get to the end, palm roll it.